So the first way to pray is to pray without ceasing. There's a verse that says that, and so basically that means like a word for that is like to not hold back. So whatever is on your mind, just like go to God with that. Like whatever you're thinking, whatever is on your heart, just like bring that to God. Don't hold anything back. He wants you to come to him as you are. He doesn't want you to hide anything. He wants you to be free to express yourself. Point is to remember that God is love. So God is love. That means that like it's his identity. So like me, my name is Jacob. So Jacob, I'm a male. So Jacob is a male. I can't have a baby. I like physically cannot do that. Like that's not even in my identity. Like I literally cannot do that. So Jacob is a male. He cannot have a baby. God is love. He cannot hate. So it's literally his identity. So when you go to him, you are going to somebody that is love. And so that means you can bring anything to him, and everything that he does based off of what you say, if you ask for something, is going to be out of that identity of love. And so you can come with like ultimate confidence. That's like the second way is to come with ultimate confidence, understanding that God is love. So hit the like button. That's helping you out. Also subscribe, because I help young Christians overcome inconsistency with God. And the third way is to approach God with confidence. So if you want to know how to approach God with confidence, you got to understand like God's grace for you and how he like covers up your mistakes. So if you want to know more about that, check this video right here on Ephesians Bible study. We going.